gonna fight with Gravy's tail in my lap. Is this gonna go well for me? My very thin fabric skirt.
I don't know. I think this is going pretty great.
It's going pretty great for Thistle. I don't know about the rest of us.
I did it better.
I mean, the important part is that Thistle's having fun. You look so big from this angle when I am videoing you, and yet you are very small. Oh no, you got it. Oh shit! Oh shit! This is why I should not want her doing this in my lap.
Is she flirting?
Yes. Are you flirting with her? You know that flirting with her is more effective when you don't start out by like grabbing her tail and potentially biting it. Yeah. We're going to learn that the best way to flirt is not by pulling the other cat's pigtails. Gravy. Yeah. You tell him. Sorry, Greaves. She is a hooligan.